Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Australia got into its current challenges. We'll explore the historical and ongoing factors that have shaped the nation's present circumstances. Understanding these roots is crucial for comprehending the complexities Australia faces today. From environmental shifts to economic pressures, many elements contribute to the current situation. Let's delve into the key drivers behind these issues, providing a clear overview of the contributing factors. This will help clarify the broader context. Australia's unique and often harsh environment plays a significant role in its challenges. The continent experiences extreme weather patterns, from prolonged droughts to intense floods and devastating bushfires. Historically, land management practices, including extensive land clearing, have altered ecosystems and reduced biodiversity. Furthermore, the nation's economy has a strong reliance on resource industries, particularly fossil fuels. This creates a complex dilemma when addressing climate change and transitioning to more sustainable energy sources, impacting long-term environmental health. Economically, Australia has benefited greatly from its abundant natural resources, particularly mining exports. However, this reliance on commodities can expose the economy to global market fluctuations. Rapid population growth, especially in major urban centers, has led to increased pressure on housing affordability and public infrastructure. Government policies, both past and present, concerning resource allocation, urban planning, and environmental regulations have significantly shaped the nation's development and its current challenges. These decisions have lasting impacts on the country's trajectory. Moving forward, Australia faces the critical task of navigating these complex issues. Investing in renewable energy and sustainable practices is vital for mitigating climate change impacts and securing a greener future. Thoughtful urban planning and infrastructure development are necessary to accommodate population growth without compromising livability. These challenges require collaborative efforts from government, industry, and communities to foster resilience and innovation. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.